So last time the winch on the timber trailer was sounded really bad, and I drove into one of the spokes on the trailer with the loader, so I'm gonna have to repair that. So let's get the trailer in the garage. Just cleaned up some, made some room, and I'm taking the UTV this time. Some glow plugs. Stick fell right off where I hit it with the loader, so I need to clean it and re-weld it. Not bad. I have the... no, not this one. It was this one. This is broken, and I thought I might have hit it with the loader, but no, there's a hole I can put my finger through here, so it must have gotten a branch or something. Okay, so this tire is gone. I need to fix that. I also need to take apart the winch and lubricate everything and hope it will last this season. I think this will not work anymore because the magnets are not attached to the casing anymore. That happened, so this winch is toast. Good. I wonder if they need some type of O-ring seal. It just feels like it's rusted off the casing. My clever plan is to clean the surfaces. Then I'm gonna install a strip of plastic between the rotor and the magnets, and then I'm gonna epoxy these onto the outer casing. Make 2 bendy clamps. So now when I push these between the magnets, I can squish them open. At least I know the rotor already is free, so I can get the plastic out easily. I just hope the glue is gonna hold on. So I just removed the clamps and the rotor. I'm not sure if this is a temporary fix, and the rotor has been hit, so it's bent some of the things. I hope it still plays nice. Got the battery from the UTV. It's working! Okay, at least the winch is back for a while. I hope this will do as a backup. I'm not really sure what it's from, and is it even intact? It might be broken, but there's one more upgrade I need to make. Since I bent this one, it's not pretty anymore, and I don't think I'm gonna use them structurally, so I'm gonna just take them off. see if this starts without any hassle. I'm gonna give it 2 times the plugs. It's -10. Like nothing. Another load to get home.